The new Dodge Ram chassis cabs are so tough, you might think they were built with recycled tank parts. Fact is, their frames use 50,000 PSI rated steel. That's a 38% higher steel strength rating than a Ford F550. And to make them fully capable for almost any size job, we also gave them a 7,000-pound front axle rating. It helps give the Ram 4500 chassis cab a gross vehicle weight rating of up to 16,500 pounds. And gives the 5500 chassis cab a GVWR of up to 19,500 pounds. Both Ram chassis cabs are also equipped with massive standard front-end tow hooks. They're easily removable in case you need to hook up a snowplow or some other kind of heavy-duty upfit. And you won't find anything bigger or badder under the hood either, because these Rams are sporting powerful 6.7-liter Cummins Turbo Diesel engines. They're engineered with a larger bore and stroke than Ford or GM Class 4 and 5 diesel-equipped chassis cabs. And they come with a 5-year, 100,000-mile Cummins diesel engine limited warranty. Their available Eisen 6-speed automatic transmission has PTO capability and is equipped with 2 overdrive gears to help achieve maximum fuel economy. Plus, it has a lower first gear ratio than Class 4 and 5 Ford or GM conventional chassis cabs. And it comes with a 3-year, 180,000-mile Eisen transmission limited warranty. There are plenty of other innovations on the 4500 and 5500 Ram chassis cabs that can help make workdays a lot more bearable, like a suspension engineered to virtually eliminate bottoming out when fully loaded. They also have an auxiliary fuel port designed so you can service a number of upfits that require fuel access, such as generators, pumps, or heaters. And because work zones can become a cluttered mess of obstacles and debris, we also gave it an excellent turning diameter, so you can get your rig in and out without shifting from drive to reverse 125 times. Not that the brakes couldn't handle that abuse. After all, they are equipped with much larger front brake rotors than, you guessed it, any Ford or GM Class 4 or 5 conventional chassis cab. But even though we designed these chassis cabs with so many extraordinary capabilities and innovative features, we didn't forget to include an ergonomic interior and commercial strength shock absorbers that'll give a gluteus maximus some added comfort, even when you're out busting yours. The new Dodge Ram 4500 and 5500 chassis cabs. Check them out at a work site near you, or visit our site.